Yeah. Walk up in this bitch like stop, I say. She over here talking about.
Good evening, guys. So we are getting ready for an evening out in Greece. I've been here for a minute now. I feel like I'm getting like comfortable. So tonight I dragged myself up. I literally after dinner tonight got in my other robe, got in bed, lay down. I was like, do you know what, I gotta go out. I actually haven't been out yet. I actually saw like a little hookah, shisha spot, drink spot on my walk today when I went for lunch. I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna go there. I don't think I'll make a club. To be honest, like this trip for me was more like a relaxing vibe, just a little break. I have some business stuff to shoot that I still haven't shot yet. I mean, I can probably do it tomorrow morning. I'm not in a rush. It's just some quick promo pictures. And just like chill, vibe out, like just have a little break. That's all I really wanted. So I didn't really have much expectations, but anyway, let me stop rambling. We're gonna get ready to go out. I'm filming in a different type of vibe, so hopefully it comes out good. So I have moisturized. It's a little bit of lash glue still on my lashes because I had makeup on earlier and it's just still, I guess, on. I didn't do a really deep clean because I knew I was going to do makeup again, so that is that. Oh, hate that type of lash glue vibe. My hair is in braids, got these bohemian braids I put in myself. And yeah, let's get ready. My hair's going to look like a bit of a mess throughout this video until we're done, so it is what it is. I know most of my women here are black women. Okay? Okay. So let's get ready. I have my little makeup case here. It's super heavy. I mean, I packed everything I feel like I need. So I've already moisturized. I use my Kaleidos Skin Food as always. I'm not going to put an SPF because it's nighttime, but I don't need it. So we're going to start off with our Fenty primer. This is the Hydrating Soft Silk, I think. I'm just going to pump a few on the back of my hands. I just want a really nice hydrated base. I don't want to go like too in as far as like makeup. I want it to look very fresh still, but pretty. So let's get these brows done. I don't even know what I'm going to use. If you don't know, you're new here, I use my X5 brow pencil and let's just go ahead, fill these in. This mirror is nice, but I just feel like I can't see like where, like exactly what I need to see. So I'm just going to use my Fenty bronzer mirror and these brows. See, like from up here I can see better. So I'm using this xxrevolution. I'm probably going to use this for my under eyes as well. Oh, where's the music? We need vibes. I'm sorry, like copyright or no, I need some vibes going. We're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury as foundation. This is over my brows and also on my face. Just a little rundown of my time here so far. It's been so needed. Like I've needed a little me trip. Like it's all fun and games. All fun and games when like you go on holiday with your mates. Like that's always fun. Like a girls trip's always great. But I feel like you learn so much more about yourself. You have so much more time to get to know yourself when you go on a solo trip. I feel like everyone should do it. It's such a vibe. It's been so relaxing and just like freeing, just doing what I want to do, not having to wait for anybody, not having to like argue, not even argue, but like have to agree with someone to do something, you know, like if you go on a trip, it's not everyone wants to do one thing and some people want to do one thing and it's like it can get a little bit like compromise. Like when you go on a solo trip, you don't have to compromise in nothing. Like you get up when you want, go to bed when you want, you leave the party when you want, like you just literally do whatever you want. So enjoying this trip. I definitely want to do another solo trip, probably around my birthday. I haven't booked anything yet, but this is like top motivating me like to be like, okay, yeah, I definitely like this and it's definitely worth the money and I would do it. And that's one thing I will say, it's expensive. If anyone wants to do a solo trip, don't think it's going to be affordable. I mean, it depends. Ugh. Me personally, I don't like cheap. I don't like it. Like, I know it's expensive, but I will close my eye and pay because I don't like anything cheap and dingy. I will spend them extra money and go where I want to go. Especially feeling that this is my first solo trip, and this hotel is so nice. Like, I just couldn't see myself going on another solo trip and going down. Like, it has to be this type of level kind of vibe or better. I'll tell you guys the hotel obviously once I edit the vlog, but it's quite popular on the Clock app, so I'm sure some of you guys might even know already from how it looks. But yeah, I'm just gonna put this foundation on. I just feel like my skin looks so much better on holiday. Like, I've been glowing since I landed. Literally been glowing since I've landed. Like, even just as far as like pollution wise, I think my skin is just like, yes, a break from London and this heavy pollution. And like, you guys know I take the train to work, so like even the underground, like, girl, skin is having a good break. I'm really scared now because this white robe foundation, not a good match. 20 to 12, where I'm going closes at 4. I didn't want to get there past 12, so I want to try and hurry up and get these lashes on. I'm gonna get out the door by 5:02. It takes me literally 5 minutes to walk there, so not bad, but I just don't want to pull up at like 12:40. Like, not that I'm scared, like, that's one thing I can say also. I've not been scared this whole trip. Everyone's been super nice, super welcoming. I'm not like, this is a very safe place to come if you want to travel. Like, I can't, like, I don't feel no way walking down these streets. And then obviously because the hot climate, like, you're in like smaller clothes, and sometimes the woman that can make you feel a bit more vulnerable when you have on like a short dress or you're in like a cover up and bikini. But I felt so confident, like I haven't felt no type of way. Everyone's been very nice. I haven't had no weird looks yet. All the shop owners are super nice. I mean, of course they want the money because they know like tourism bring money, but like they were all really nice. Like the lady, because she see my chain, it says Shai, she's like, oh, your name's Shai? I was like, yeah. She's like, oh, I'm Sylvia. I was like, hey girl. Like, she was just so sweet, so I love that. I need to go see Sylvia again. I did tell her I was coming back because she had some really nice rings, so I want to see how much they are. Might buy one. Guys, I forgot I was gonna do some color. I think I'm gonna do some of the green. I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Please use a primer. I don't have primer on me, so I don't really got an option. Why not? This palette from Escape Pod Kaleidos makeup. It's called Escape Pod. I'm using Galactic Gala and Saturnalia girl. I don't know. I feel like a lot of people don't do color anymore, and I feel like it's just because they're scared. And everyone's into like this minimal soft girl vibe, but it's like, do you know how gorgeous your color looks on, especially like melanin? I'm just using this brown called Terrace. But yeah, I feel like a lot of people stray away from colour because everyone's on this minimal soft glam vibe. But you can be a minimal babe and play around with colour, okay? You don't have to be like so monotone and like blah every day. Like, be maximalist sometimes. I mean, I feel like this is still a pretty minimal look, to be fair. So these are the eyes. Kind of loud, but I feel like once the lashes are on, we're in business. Update, we have one lash on. I'm going to start on my edges so we can speed this process up. Load it up a bit. I'm just going to wet my sponge. And then let's go in with this concealer. I'm using the same concealer I used earlier under my brows. And I'm just gonna do like I usually would, because we're gonna do not a full-on beat, but like pretty much a regular beat. I came to the conclusion halfway through, I don't like how the lighting's coming off in the other way of filming. I planned to go to this place, guys, at 10 o'clock. How was it 2 hours later? And this sponge is very, very nice. I'm really happy about that. Gonna use this Say brush. This is the, I think, the foundation brush, just to put on my bronzer. This is my ABH Chestnut bronzer. Use that. Use some warmth. Yeah. I feel like the UK girl, like bright under eye, is like city makeup. Like when I mean city, I mean like New York, London, like major city vibes, that kind of makeup. But because it's evening time, I feel like you can go a little bit more in with your products. Okay, so I just put my Fenty bronzer, my Makeup By Me. I'm gonna put on blush. Blush, I got this bright pink that I'm trying out for my business. Whoa. And I feel like when I do my makeup today, I used the orange, and when I looked in the mirror, my blush was the main thing that was standing out. I like to bring my blush up here as well. Charlotte Tilbury. And I am basically done. Hair, I'm gonna do a half up, half down. One thing I love about braids, it's so easy to do. And then do a half up, half down. I don't like it too tight though, because we don't want a headache. Yeah. I like the ones coming from the back, not straight hair, because I feel like that just makes it look weird. I don't know, maybe it's my face shape, but I like to kind of have it like that. So now it's time for the outfit. I haven't done my lips yet, but that's the least of the problem. For outfit, let me show you guys what I'm planning. It's really simple, but it's so cute. I'm planning on wearing this cute little checkerboard skirt. I have this red bag that might go with red, and then my green bag you guys have seen a million times. And yeah, we'll see how it looks in a minute. So I am ready. I went with the t-shirt. The skirt is cute. I can never get like a full body. This mesh top. I feel like the lighting just doesn't hit. I'm just gonna bring my Dior because it's just more practical. I can fit more in there. It makes more sense. We're bringing Digital Girl with us. My key card. Money. There's no other 20. I had another 20. I don't even know what it is. I'm probably gonna pay on card anyways. I'll see you guys when I'm there.